Everyone loves to hear great feedback, and really, we're no different. When we receive a 5-star review, we just want to shout it out from the mountaintops. That's why we're so happy to share this one with you right now. It's easy to see why this one is one of our favorites, because we work so hard on improving our processes and providing impeccable service. Not only is great feedback appreciated, we're thrilled to share it. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen.